Hi class, this is Megan, and in this video I just want to briefly persuade you not to be afraid to take some of your design elements to the edge of the page. So I've got in front of me the Volunteer Voice newsletter, which I put together for the Children's Museum of Indianapolis, and on the left we have a list of birthdays. And the birthdays are in this sort of grayed out blue, light blue box. I would suggest that if you have a similar treatment, if you have a design where you have a box or some other colored element like this thick line down here, don't be afraid to take it out to the edge of the page like this. Just grab the wrong thing. It's going to be hard for me to grab this box, actually. Let me see if I can get it. There we go. Don't be afraid to take it out to the edge of the page like this. What this is going to do is it's going to just give a little bit of a more upscale look to the design. Printers that any person might have in their office, you know, the copier in your shared office, the printers at the Ball State Library, these are pretty cheap printers that print pretty poorly. And these printers don't print all the way to the edge. So if you're using that kind of printer, you're going to have to design like this because you literally can't print around the edge of the paper. More high quality printing presses allow you to print to the edge of the page. So designs that go to the edge of the page are typically, they have more money behind them. They have better designers. They have better printing. They're for larger companies. So just taking this blue box and extending it to the edge gives this design a little bit more of an upscale feel than if the box doesn't extend to the edge. And here's another example. This is the back of the newsletter. This is left blank because it's where the mailing information goes. And we have this little design which comes from the museum's logo. Don't be afraid to take this to the edge of the page, to make it go all the way to the bottom or all the way to the edge. This is, again, it's going to give it a little bit more of an upscale feel. Let me get rid of that bar back there. I don't want that weirdo blue bar that's showing up. So I'm going to hide it. There we go. So don't be afraid to take things to the edge of the page. It's going to create a little bit more of an upscale feel and a little bit more of a dynamic design to your newsletter. Your newsletter is going to look like a little more impactful and actionable.